Hello travelers, welcome. Catania, a city located on the eastern coast of Sicily, enchants with its millenary history and the vibrant Sicilian spirit. Dominated by the majestic Mount Etna, it is a symphony of Baroque architecture and ancient charm. Piazza del Duomo houses the Cathedral of Saint Agatha and the lava elephant, city symbols. The monastery of the Benedictines fascinates with its Baroque beauty and historic library. Castello Ursino recalls the Norman past and hosts a museum. Via Etna is the heart of shopping and strolling in the city. From Castello to excursions on Etna, Catania is a journey through culture, traditions, and volcanic landscapes. Get ready to explore the city with me on this trip, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss other videos about other cities. Ready? Let's go! Piazza del Duomo, the beating heart of Catania, enchants with its magnificent Cathedral of Saint Agatha and the lava elephant. Surrounded by Baroque palaces, it is a perfect fusion of art and spirituality. The elephant fountain dominates the square, representing the strength of the city. The Duomo, with its majestic facade and fascinating interiors, is a symbol of faith and devotion. The visit also offers the opportunity to discover the Palazzo degli Elefanti and the Town Hall Palace. The lively atmosphere and the mix of architectural styles make Piazza del Duomo an essential place to visit in Catania. The evocative Roman Amphitheatre of Catania dates back to the 2nd century AD and is a precious archaeological treasure of the city. Located in the historic center, it is a fascinating place to immerse yourself in ancient Roman history. Its ruins testify to Catania's importance in antiquity and offer a glimpse of the architecture and organization of games in the Roman era. Today, the theater also hosts shows and cultural events. Visiting the Roman Amphitheatre is an exciting experience that offers a connection to Catania's glorious past. The monastery of the Benedictines is an extraordinary testament to Baroque art and Catania's cultural heritage. Founded in the 16th century, the monastery has an imposing church with elaborate decorations and refined frescoes. The interior spaces are characterized by evocative courtyards, majestic staircases, and a magnificent library. Over the centuries, the complex has had various functions, but today it also houses the Faculty of Arts and Philosophy of the University of Catania. A visit to the Monastery of the Benedictines allows you to discover the grandeur and elegance of Baroque architecture and the city's cultural wealth. Castello Ursino, a powerful Norman fortress, testifies to Catania's military and strategic past. Built in the 13th century, the castle is located in the historic center and offers a panoramic view of the city and the sea. Today it houses the Civic Museum, which contains a vast collection of art and archaeological finds related to Catania's history. Exploring its halls and towers offers a dive into medieval history, as well as a discovery of the culture and daily life of the time. Castello Ursino is a must-see for lovers of history and architecture. Via Etna is Catania's main artery, a majestic and lively street that crosses the city center. Along this street you can admire splendid palaces, elegant shops, historic cafes, and traditional restaurants. It is the perfect place for shopping, tasting delicious Sicilian cuisine, and immersing yourself in the city's lively atmosphere. Walking along Via Etna will allow you to capture the authentic spirit of Catania, meeting locals and visitors from all over the world while breathing the unique energy of this enchanting city. Castello and Trezza are two picturesque fishing villages located a few kilometers from Catania. Castello is famous for its imposing Norman castle built on a black lava rock, from which you enjoy a breathtaking panoramic view of the sea and the sea stacks. Trezza, on the other hand, is known for the faraglioni of the Cyclopes, rock formations linked to the legends of the hero Ulysses. These places offer tranquil and authentic atmospheres, crystal clear sea, beaches, and opportunities to savor the flavors of Sicilian cuisine in characteristic fish restaurants. The Roman Theatre of Catania is an archaeological site of great historical and aesthetic value. Built during the Roman era, the theatre was discovered only relatively recently and offers a glimpse into the cultural life of ancient Catania. Carved into the lava rock, the theater could accommodate up to 7,000 spectators and was the venue for theatrical performances and gladiatorial games. Today, the Roman theater is an important tourist attraction where you can admire well-preserved structures, mosaics, and columns from the Roman era. The Fish Market of Catania is an unmissable place for those who want to experience the authentic atmosphere of everyday Sicilian life. Located near the port, the market is a riot of colors, sounds, and smells. Here, local fishermen sell the fresh catch of the day, while vendors offer a wide selection of fruit, vegetables, cheeses, and Sicilian delicacies. The market is a unique sensory experience where you can buy fresh ingredients to cook or enjoy delicious fish dishes in nearby restaurants. Via Bellini is Catania's green lung, a large public park where locals and visitors can relax and enjoy moments of tranquility. Surrounded by centuries-old trees and rich in plants and flowers, the park offers wide green spaces, fountains, playgrounds for children, and scenic paths. It is the ideal place for a walk, a picnic, or simply to enjoy some fresh air away from the city bustle. Via Bellini also hosts cultural events, concerts, and shows throughout the year. Etna, one of the most active volcanoes in the world, is an unmissable attraction for those visiting Catania. Excursions on Etna offer the opportunity to explore breathtaking volcanic landscapes, crossing lava flows, caves, and craters. Expert guides lead visitors safely to discover the different faces of the volcano, including spectacular panoramas of the surrounding Sicily and the Ionian Sea. In winter, it is also possible to ski on Etna's slopes. An excursion on Etna is an unforgettable experience, an encounter with the power of nature, and an opportunity to understand the region's geology. These attractions and places represent only some of the wonders that Catania has to offer. The city is an enchanting melting pot of history, culture, traditions, and natural beauties, capable of fascinating and astonishing every visitor. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it and that it inspired you. Have a good trip.